Hello friends, welcome again in my channel. In this Excel video, I will teach you how to easily create drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. This is going to be a fun. Let's get started. So here I am in a spreadsheet with some fictional employees listed, and as you can see I am having some trouble correctly typing the departments that these employees are part of. Looks like I have misspelled a word or two in some cases. I am putting punctuation in the department titles, in other I am not. I would really like some standardization in this spreadsheet, getting rid of misspelled words and differences of how I entered things. Now this can be even more important when more than one person use the same spreadsheet. So how could I fix this? What I could do is click on a cell and then go to the data tab and look in the data tools group. You want to look for this symbol here or the words data validation. You can just click there and you get a pop-up that you can use to create a drop-down list. Just switch from any value to list, and here where it says source, just type in each of possible options that you want to be in your drop-down list. So HR, IT, etc. So there I have got all of the options I want included in the drop-down. They are each separated by comma, and then I click OK. Now look what happens. Cell C2 now has button with a down arrow in it, and if you click on that it open up with all of the possible options. So I can quickly switch to marketing or finance, and the change is applied now. I need to make the same changes in C3. There is no button there, and same with C4 etc. Actually, you don't have to look what I can do. Just click on C2, go to the fill handle, the little green square in the lower right corner of the cell, and then drag and hold the mouse button as you drag, and then release the button at bottom. And now if I go to any of these cell, I can click and see the drop down button. Now notice that when I click and drag using the fill handle, that it did change the information that was in those cells. And so that why I ideally you would create your drop down list before entering any other information in a particular column. Now I also want to point out that the order in which the options appear in your drop down list comes from the order in which you entered them when you created the drop down list. So if I click on the particular cell and go back to the data validation, I could adjust this. Maybe I want it to start with IT and then move on to HR and then finance. Click OK. Now when I click back, the order has changed now, and there are several other ways to create drop down list. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow and subscribe. Thank you for watching.